So I'm doing a video. My son's standing behind me. This is the QRM that I'm talking about. Let's move this around. Roger that. Yeah, I got the copy. I got his email, I believe. If not, I can get it later. Yeah, you guys go ahead and carry on without me while I do some recording here. And so, I can't make it up. And there is.
I'm about an S3, S4, and that's where you're coming through. It's not even jiggling my meter, so when I hear you, I just hear you. It's kind of on the weak side, but that's okay. It's 10 meters, not the best frequency for what we got going on. Roger.
We should try and do an 8 meter net and see what will happen. Here's what I'm dealing with. Here is what's causing the QRM. This is what happens when I touch the power supply. I'm just getting near it right there. Alright, touching the power supply right there. Alright, now I'm not touching it. So I need to ground this. That would probably help tremendously. But yeah, figured you guys get a kick.